At the shop.
Hello, I would like to return these shoes.
Of course. May I ask why you want to return them?
They are too small for my feet.
I'm sorry to hear that. Do you have the receipt?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Let me check your purchase.
Sure.
I see you bought them 3 days ago.
Yes, I only wore them once at home.
The shoes still look brand new.
I was careful because I thought I might return them.
Would you like a refund or an exchange?
I would like to exchange them for a larger size.
What size do you need?
I need one size bigger.
Let me check if we have that size.
Thank you.
Good news, we have your size in stock. Would you like to try them on first?
Yes, just to make sure they fit.
Here you are.
These feel much more comfortable.
Perfect, they fit you well.
I'll take this pair.
Great, I'll complete the exchange.
Thank you for making it so easy.
You're welcome. We want our customers to be happy.
I really appreciate your help.
It was my pleasure. Have a wonderful day.
You too. Goodbye.
At the pharmacy.
Excuse me, I bought this medicine from your pharmacy yesterday.
Is there a problem with it?
Yes, I just noticed that it expired last month.
Oh, let me check the package.
Here it is.
I am very sorry. You are right. This medicine has expired.
I was about to give it to my father.
I'm glad you checked the date first.
How did this happen?
It looks like we made a mistake while stocking the shelf.
I was surprised to see the expiration date.
We sincerely apologize for the inconvenience.
I need the correct medicine today.
Of course, I will replace it with a new one immediately.
Thank you.
Please wait a moment while I get a fresh box.
Okay.
Here is the new medicine. Please check the expiration date.
This one expires next year.
Yes, this is the correct one.
Thank you for replacing it so quickly.
You're welcome. We will also check all the medicines on the shelf.
That is a good idea.
We never want this to happen again.
I appreciate your honesty.
Thank you for bringing it to our attention.
I hope no one else bought the expired medicine.
We will remove any expired products immediately.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a safe and healthy day.
At the police station.
Good afternoon, officer. I need to report a lost phone.
Good afternoon. Please have a seat. When did you lose it?
I think I lost it this afternoon.
Where were you when you last used it?
I was at the shopping mall.
Do you remember the last place you saw it?
Yes, I used it at a coffee shop.
Did you go back and check there?
Yes, but they could not find it.
I see. Can you describe your phone?
It is a white smartphone with a pink case.
Do you know the phone's brand and model?
Yes, it is a Samsung Galaxy.
Was there anything important on the phone?
Yes, my photos, contacts, and work file.
Was the phone protected with a password?
Yes, it has a fingerprint lock.
That's good. It will help protect your information.
I hope no one can use it.
We will file a lost phone report for you.
Thank you. I was very worried.
Do you know your phone number?
Yes, I wrote it down here.
Thank you. This information will help us.
Is there anything else I should do?
Yes, contact your mobile service provider and block the SIM card.
I will do that today.
Here's a copy of your report.
Thank you for your help, officer.
You're welcome. We will contact you if we receive any information.
I appreciate it. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
In the taxi.
Hello, could you take me to the airport, please?
Of course. Please get in.
Thank you. How long will it take?
About 30 minutes, depending on traffic.
I hope we get there on time.
Don't worry, I'll take the fastest route.
That's good to hear.
Do you have a flight today?
Yes, my flight leaves at 4 p.m.
Then we have plenty of time.
That's a relief.
Are you traveling for work or vacation?
I'm going on vacation with my family.
That sounds exciting. Where are you going?
We're going to Hawaii for a week.
I've heard the beaches there are beautiful.
I can't wait to see them.
Is this your first time visiting?
Yes, it is.
I'm sure you'll have a wonderful time.
I hope so.
We're almost at the airport now.
Great. Thank you for the smooth ride.
You're welcome.
How much is the fare?
It is $28.
Here is my card.
Thank you. Your payment is complete.
Thanks again. Have a great day.
You too. Have a safe flight.